Good. Now you're live.
Gonna go up. Just put it right there.
Is that a 2x4?
Yeah, this is.
That's a backing.
It's
You
just a
screw it
backing.
into the drywall.
I just go drive it to these to.
Yeah, that'll give us enough space for the P-trap.
Yeah.
Just go right above those holes then.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I got you.
You got an oscillating tool?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
We'll definitely need earplugs for that guy. Nothing's loud. That is loud. Unless you're Jackson. Jackson just freaking.
You just go, huh, Jackson?
Yeah.
Damn.
Jackson's like cutting concrete with the saw, no mask, no. Just kidding.
Always.
So you're not the PPE guy, huh?
No.
No.
Never. Most of the time, no.
Try to get as level as you can.
Yeah, it really don't matter though, cause
It's gonna drywall it back over. And...
we don't do the drywall. We just leave it over there.
Oh.
There we go.
Bird. I'm back in business, boys. You boys.
Where is
Where did the glove go?
right there?
I'll do that.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah. All right. I'm new, but I'm not that new.
It's fine.
Thank you, big dog.
And then,
What'd I do with my other glove, bro? I just had it.
yeah, just come get me once you got that.
Cut out.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, what did I just do with my other glove? Oh, that's ridiculous.
Right here, bro.
Oh, no, that's not.
So you got green?
Oh, my man. All right, I'll get this cut out, lickety split.
I'll be outside.
Okay, and then I'll be right over to you.